फोमेंतोन घडोवन हाडिल्ल्या 32व्या राष्ट्रीय बुद्धिबळ सर्तीन रेल्वे स्पोर्ट्स प्रमोशन बोर्डाक मारून पेट्रोलियम स्पोर्ट्स प्रमोशन बोर्ड पंगड जैतिवंत जाला। बायलांच्या पंगडांत एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीच्या डी हरिकान एअर इंडियाच्या भक्ती कुलकर्णीक हरयलें। मिरामारच्या गाशपर दियेश क्लबान जाल्ल्या ह्या सर्तीन उक्त्या गटान 53 पंगड जाल्यार बायलांच्या गटान 12 पंगडांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो।
Tennis the Gaspar Dias. It is my pleasure to welcome all of you all today. Of entries in both the sections, where more than 60 teams and more than 300 players, not counting the coaches and managers, participated in this tournament. Goa in the last 1 year has played host to 2 nationals and 2 rating tournaments, and players from all over India have participated.
I'd like to congratulate Goa Chess Association doing this wonderful event here. The air conditioned halls, everything was so wonderful. As a player, I must say that I like to play again in Goa.
I have to place on record that Fomento Resources is really privileged for the opportunity provided by the Goa Chess Association to join hands for the conduct of the 32nd National Chess Championship. But I know chess is a very complex, interesting, fascinating game for those who know it and for those who love it. And that's why chess or any game has to be played without tension of winning.
I hope we have an opportunity in future with managing committee sure that the new government of Goa, which will be shortly
तिसऱ्या गोवा प्रिमियर लीगाक आयतारा पर्वरे गोंय क्रिकेट अकादेमीच्या ग्राउंडार सुरवात जाली। पयले मॅचींत सर्वोदय रॉयल्सान धेंपोक मारले। धेंपोन पयली बॅटिंग करून 20 ओव्हरीन 138 रन काडले। सर्वोदयाक तांणी बरेच आवळून धरिल्ले, मात बाबत फिल्डिंगेक लागून धेंपोन मॅच खाली। निमणे ओव्हरीक 9 रन जाय आशिल्ले। सर्वोदयाच्या दर्शन मिशाळान मॅच घोडायली। दुसरे मॅचीन NRB GSA स्टार्सांनी GCA अकादमी स्टार्साक मारले।
Look at the confidence. It's gone all the way to sixer. The first breakthrough. Much good play. Long shot in the fielder and it's nicely played. Once again, the ball is racing over. Will it be four? Yes, it will be. Yes. Look at there, the ball is on down. Beautifully played by Regan Pinto. Lofty shot in on the bed on that one, sixer. Hoffman.
Shit.
This is the end. Soldier Royals are the winners. Congratulations.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in ह्या वेबसायटीचेर पळोवंक मेळटल्यो. घडटात तश्यो बातम्यो जाय जाल्यार तुमी आमचो ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा फॉलो करात. www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेरय तुमकां आमच्यो बातम्यो वाचूंक मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.